Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best laminate flooring cutters that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Bullet Tools Marksman Laminate Flooring Cutter. Equipped with a built-in ruler, this laminate flooring cutter has a movable fence of 45 degrees. It has a powerful performance and allows you to save your effort and time. Moreover, you can use it from anywhere you want as it does not require any power source to operate. It does not disturb anyone beside you as the product has quiet operation. Furthermore, this is also dust-free, and you can use it anytime you want. Additionally, it makes 90-degree cuts and is available in lightweight construction. The product has large bearings so that there can be greater precision while cutting different types of materials. At number 4. Bullet Tools Vinyl Cutter. With this laminate flooring cutter, you will be able to save your time and effort, and it is safe to use. This is very easy to set up and does not require any electricity to operate. Moreover, it gives the advantage of using it at any time as there will be no noise. You can use it from anywhere you want as this is in a no-dust design. Additionally, it has a replaceable metal blade and lets you cut different types of materials. Furthermore, it is extremely durable and comes with a riveted steel cutting assembly. You will also find an aluminum carrying case, and it can be perfect for an area of 5,000 square feet with a single sharpening. At number 3. Bullet Tools Laminate Flooring and Siding Cutter. This one does not require any assembling and comes in ready-to-use design. The laminate flooring cutter comes in a multifunctional design as you can also use it for sliding cutter. Additionally, this makes cuts of up to 9 inches wide and does not require any electricity to operate. Moreover, it also comes in a no-dust design, and single shear of the blade can last more time. The Laminate FL O-ring cutter delivers reliable performance and allows you to save your time. Furthermore, it can be ideal for professional applications and allows you to save money. At number 2. MantisTol Pro Flooring Cutter. With this laminate flooring cutter, there will be better performance as it allows you to use it for cutting multiple types of materials. This is composed of high-quality aluminum and steel and features a tungsten steel blade. Additionally, it can make straight cuts, and you can even use it for angled cuts of 45 degrees. It includes a convenient handle so that there can be increased leverage. Furthermore, this also makes quiet operation and ensures that you save your time. The product is very easy to use and does not require any electricity. It is extremely durable and is in a no-dust design. Finally at number 1. Robert's Laminate Cutter. Allowing you to make the maximum out of it, this laminate flooring cutter comes in a heavy-duty construction. This comes in a stable design so that there can be hassle-free operation. Furthermore, it comes with position support that levels the plank when you use it. Moreover, it is a lightweight design so that you can take it anywhere you want. This is extremely durable and can be ideal for cutting laminates having a width of 8 inches. Additionally, it is ideal for professional applications and allows you to save effort and time. You can easily use it for cutting laminates having a thickness of 12 millimeters. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.